another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I get some kind of liquid all over myself. And I'm guessing it's just water, but that was unexpected. Let me fix that situation and tell you about the next instant noodle, or rather, this one's a premium cooking noodle that I'll be reviewing on the show today. What the heck got all over the stove? Alright, so this is a golden sour beef soup noodle from Ramen Talk of China. So that'll be the one we're doing today. First thing to do is to cook up the noodle. It takes 6 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna do it for 6 and just see what happens. When they give you the range, usually I'll just stick in the middle, but I don't feel like playing with the dealy deal. Here's the noodle. And then what you do is you take everything, throw it in a dealy, and then, gotta throw it in the dealy. Alright, you drain that off, and then you take 330 mils of boiling water, and we should start the timer. And and you're good. So what's going on? Possibility tomorrow, Trump getting his 4th indictment. He's collecting, man. He's way ahead of me. I don't have any indictments. And we're in the midst of a heat wave. So that's fun. I like that. Challenge. I'll walk maybe all the way to Seattle during a heat wave. I'll try to do 10 miles today. Soak myself with sunblock. Golden beef. Sweet, sweet golden beef. I guess when it gets down, see, I've got 330 mils of water in the microwave, in a microwave-safe Pyrex cup. So what I'm going to do is when I get this down to, like 2 minutes, I should do it. I'd take you over there and play some video games with you, but it just said this camera that you're watching me on has only 5% juice? Yeah. That's crummy. I hope it keeps doing as it should for this video, because I don't know, it's on a fast charger. But really? Yeah, 5%. That's a little peculiar, because I swear to God it said more than that when I got started, but maybe it didn't. Maybe it did not, ladies and gentlemen, and that is vexing. I was going to charge my phone here, but I guess I really need to think about you and your ability to view, and fancy noodles are boiling. Giving them a little bit of a toss. And I know. I'll bring out my Bible and quote you some verses. This is the Momofuku Ando Speaks book. These are all quotes from the man who invented instant noodles. You were scared there for a second, weren't you? Don't worry. Quote number 231. An opinion with which everyone agrees cannot be trusted. Here's number 1. It is never too late to do anything in life. Number 105. What you call market research is a waste of money. I can understand the market by listening to just 3 customers. A lot of it has to do with business, and then there's like a whole bunch of them where he's talking about golf. So, interesting guy, Momofuku Ando. Yeah, I'm shining a laser projector at these flowers. I thought maybe you'd enjoy seeing that. Working, right? Ooh, what if I do that? Right up. Is that trippier? Maybe a little. It was probably just fine to begin with. I need to start my water boiling. All right. Yeah. Last episode I was like, wow, everything's going by so fast. And now it is the third one that I'm doing, and I only have one more to do after this, so there you go. But I gotta drain these noodles. Then I dump everything in, stir it up, and it's good. Pretty simple. And yeah. Oh. Maybe on the next episode. I do have to go over there to find out how many milliliters I'm using for the Japanese variety that I'm getting next. I found something neat at a thrift store yesterday involving curry, British curry. And I've been under the tutelage of the Right Honorable Reverend Dick Kazinia, and he knows a lot about British Indian restaurant curries, hardcore into it. Spent time in South Asia, so yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna drain. Water's probably good, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here. Oh, the happiest microwave in the world. Okay, there's my noodle. So we got a bunch of stuff to put in, as is the way with ramen talk. First, we've got here's a freeze-dried block. I'm going with pickled vegetable. Those freeze-dried blocks are rad, by the way. If you see them, you think, oh man, there's something wrong with it. No, there's nothing wrong with it. A liquid. Whoa, that's a... Do you see that? Do you see that big chili pepper right here? Look at that. Whoa. That's kind of vicious. I didn't expect that. It smells nice and tangy. Oh God, there's 2 more sachets. Today's been a lot of sachets. Vegetable. And finally, this granular stuff. I don't know what this is going to be, but we'll find out. Ah, sesame seeds. Okay. Make a note, there's sesame seeds. take... Are you kidding me? Oh. Oh, we'll give it 90 seconds. I didn't put the water in the microwave. I've been microwaving the universe. I know that's bad to do. It really wasn't my intent to microwave mere molecules. It happened. So I guess I'll show you the thing I got at the thrift store really quick. So, God, my foot keeps catching on our new area rug. Curry measure. Look at that. And look at that. It's got like all these markings on the inside, and supposedly this is like to make all these recipes, and people say that they're really good recipes, but the recipe is just like add this much of this, add this much of this much of this. Yeah, pretty neat. $2 at the Goodwill store in the U District in Seattle. Who says it's such a bad place, folks? Come on. Come on. There's a lot of freaky people down there, but come on. That is some very hot liquid. Alright, now we can do our stirring. $330 mils. This is a big thing here. And that is definitely a golden broth. This looks rather nice. Well, let's get you a better look at it. Well, that's what you want. I don't need to add any sesame seeds, that's for certain. Okay, so what are these big long deals? I'm curious. I'm gonna start with that. It's a stem. Pickled. Some nice pickled. It's definitely sour, but it's not a bad sour. It's quite good. Here's our noodle. This is lovely. Yeah. Wow. That is quite good. Now let's try the broth. That looks nice too. Very golden. Say it again. It's got a nice tartness to it. The sourness I'm getting is definitely not like, ooh, it's got like a little bit of heat too. It's not black vinegar, if that's what you're thinking, obviously. I mean, look at the color of the broth, but it's not a really vinegary kind of thing at all, which I would expect from a Chinese variety, but whoa, that was close. All of a sudden I pushed the wrong button, but I recovered from that mishap, folks. Do I want to use that bowl? I think I'm going to use that bowl. That was my initial thought, would be this bowl. I like this bowl. It's soothing. It's a soothing bowl. So really not a lot I need to add to this. I really need to use these eggs, and I'm thinking I'm going to add an egg. Oh cool, the peppers on top. Yeah, it really, this does not need much of anything. I think I am gonna forego the egg, actually. Pepper. Yeah, I think some scallion will do. It's already got the sesame seed. The vegetables in here are top notch. This is, wow, this may be my favorite of this range thus far. I mean, this is really good. Really, really good. Man. Yeah, they sent me a bunch a while back, and now the reviews are coming out of that set, and now I'm doing these, and it's just like, man. Wonderfulness. Crushed red pepper? I don't know, there's a pepper already on it. Am I just adding scallions to this one? I think so. I think I am. Which is a testament to the completeness of this variety. Wow. Alright. Do your rotating thing, new music. Yeah. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that was Ramen Talk Golden Sour Beef. And, yeah, you can go to ramentalk.us and find this stuff, and including all their other stuff. It's worth checking out if you want to try something new and awesome. This is it. So, the next one I'm doing is from Yamadai. This came out of a Zen Pop snack box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Yamadai Wakayama Sugomen Chukasoba. So that's coming up next. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it exposes more people to the finer things in life. Have a good one. Bye-bye.